The two teens who face child pornography charges in connection with the Rehtaeh Parsons case are scheduled to appear in court next week. As the case against them moves forward, Halifax police are warning people not to take any vigilante action. Carolyn Ray has this look at the case and why it's so emotionally charged.
At just 15 years old, Halifax teen Rehtaeh Parsons told her parents she had been sexually assaulted at a party by several boys. That was a year and a half before her death in April. During that time, her father says she was tormented by cyberbullies after a photo of the alleged incident was spread online. The family says they pleaded with police for help, but the case was closed.
How fast this destroyed my daughter was just unbelievable. She never recovered from it.
Her family, heartbroken, became vocal in their campaign for justice in the days following her death. Her mother spoke out, at the time saying the police had failed her daughter.
She wanted someone to believe her, and nobody did.
Her death sparked protests, vigils, and threats of vigilantism, making headlines around the world. Police reopened the file just 1 week after Rehtaeh's death. Then word 2 young men were in custody.
I felt like crying. I felt like running. I just felt like, and at the same time, you know, you feel sad because my daughter's never going to know that sense of justice. She'll never know that.
The two 18-year-olds who have been charged were young offenders at the time of the alleged crimes and cannot be identified. One was charged with 2 counts of distributing child pornography. The other was charged with making and distributing child pornography. But there was no charge of sexual assault. Police said the evidence wasn't there.
It is important to consider that there has been much misinformation and misunderstanding in the public realm about this matter.
The charges come just 1 day after Nova Scotia's government announced new measures to battle cyberbullies, giving families the power to sue bullies or even their parents if they're underage. But all of these developments come too late for Rehtaeh's father.
I will never be able to say that justice was served in this case because it simply was not, and it's not something you can undo.
That was Carolyn Ray in Halifax.